Hi everyone, this is a video about a knife I made from some leaf spring that I had. This drawing it out and marking out the leaf spring here. This is the first knife I ever made, and it was a skinning knife. It's supposed to be a skinning knife anyway. So just drawing out the rough shape of it and then cutting that out with an angle grinder. Started forging on the back side. You can see how it curved the blade, and then I forged out the cutting edge, rounded off the corners. Normalized it in the forge, just heated it up, and then cut the gas off and let it cool down in the forge for a few hours. Then went to the grinding wheel and the sander to try and get the best profile I could out of it. And I'm just marking the holes for the handle. And moving over to the drill press to drill the holes. This is a piece of Purple Heart wood. I guess it's a kind of an exotic wood from South America, and that's what I used for the handle. So this is the heat treat. It's 5160, so I heated it up to 1500 Fahrenheit in the kiln, and while it was heating up I cut the handle. Just drilling the holes there in the handle. So it came out of the kiln and I quenched it, and actually that's peanut oil. I have no idea, only that I needed to use oil, so peanut oil it was, left over from the turkey fry. Then I tempered it back in the kiln at 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 or 2 hours. Now I'm just fitting together the handle, making sure it all fits before I glue it up. And there it is, glued up and clamped. I used 5-minute epoxy to glue the handle. Now sanding the handle down to get the profile. And just polishing the blade up on the buffing wheel. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted. I wanted the blade to be a little wider, and I didn't quite get the handle exactly how I wanted. So it was a learning experience. Like I said, it's the first knife I ever made. Now I'm moving over to sharpening the blade up. started with a 400 grit whetstone. And I'm just putting some Danish oil on the handle to try and bring some of the grain out and protect the wood. And that's pretty much it. It's turned out to be okay. I think it's going to be a useful knife. Not exactly what I wanted, but I learned a few things. So thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.